WWDC is gonna be a little bit different this year. Apple has just announced its annual developers conference will still take place in June, just not in person because of the coronavirus. According to Apple VP Phil Schiller, the current health situation has required that we create a new WWDC 2020. But the show must go on. And instead of hosting the event in San Jose, Apple has invited developers to participate virtually with a streamed keynote and developer sessions. WWDC is one of Apple's most important annual events in which it typically announces its latest software updates: iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, macOS, and tvOS. It brings in about 6,000 developers from around the globe for a week of activities in San Jose, California. The conference is typically held in the first week of June, and developers can start signing up in April. Apple also announced it will donate $1 million to local San Jose organizations to help soften the economic blow of not hosting the event in person. This is just the latest in a long line of cancellations in the tech world, starting with Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, the year's biggest phone show of the year in February. Google and Facebook have both canceled their developers conferences, at least for in-person attendance, and most recently South by Southwest in Texas and E3, the biggest gaming conference of the year in Los Angeles. In February, Apple warned investors about potentially missing its quarterly revenue projection because of the effects of the coronavirus. Apple had to shut down stores in both China and Italy due to the outbreak. And some of its biggest suppliers were also forced to shut down or limit operations, causing speculations about potential production delays for the next iPhones. The press release did not disclose the exact dates of the event, but it did say Apple will be releasing more details in the weeks ahead, so stay tuned and stay safe.